Welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about the tax on documents in Spain, the key aspects and considerations, so stay until the end. The Document Act tax, AGT, is one of the most relevant taxes in the Spanish tax system. This tax is levied on notarial documents, such as public deeds, private contracts, and other legal instruments that must be registered with notaries or registrars of the property. Nature and purpose of the document tax. The Documented Legal Acts tax is framed within indirect taxes, which means that it does not directly tax the underlying transaction, such as the purchase of a home or the constitution of a mortgage, but rather the formalization and registration of documents supporting these operations. Its main objective is to generate income for the autonomous communities and autonomous cities of Ceuta and Melilla. Scope of the document duty. The document duty applies to a variety of legal documents, including 1. Public deeds. Include the purchase of property, mortgage creation, donations, wills, and other notarial acts. 2. Private contracts. When these contracts must be registered with a notary or property registrar, such as long-term leases. 3. Notarial documents. This includes notarial documents that are not related to economic operations, such as notarial acts and testimonies. Tax rate. The tax rate of the Documented Legal Acts tax varies according to the autonomous community in which the document is formalized. Each autonomous community has the power to establish its own tax rate, which has led to significant differences throughout the country. Therefore, it is essential to consult with local tax authorities or a tax professional to determine the current tax rate at a specific location. Subject to payment. The Document Act tax is usually paid by the beneficiary of the Documented Legal Act. That is, the person who obtains a benefit or acquires rights through the document. In the case of mortgages, it is common for the borrower to assume responsibility for paying the document tax. Exemptions and reductions. In some cases, there are exemptions or reductions from the document duty. For example, in the setting up of mortgages, there may be a reduction in the amount of tax, especially for public housing or young buyers. In addition, deeds of mortgage loans intended for the purchase of a home may benefit from a reduction in the tax base. Procedure and time limit. The Documented Legal Acts tax is settled and paid by self-assessment, which means that the interested party must file a declaration and pay the tax within a period established after the formalization of the document. Failure to meet these deadlines may result in surcharges and interest for late payment. Finally, to avoid problems with the tax agency, you can count on the support of Intramites to advise you on all issues related to self-employed, SME, and foreigners. Do not forget to contact us. We will see you in a video.
For more information, remember to check our website and follow us on our social media platforms. You'll find the link in the description box below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with expert guidance on streamlining your paperwork, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to our channel.